gonna be a good day. What's up, guys? It's your boy, still needs an intro, and today we're making the Magnum a little bit louder. Now, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to record this one because I have something called work to attend to. But after I get off, I'll go up to the muffler shop with my dad and we'll see how it sounds. Now, what our good old friend Mike is going to be working on today is the section of pipe that he put in place of the mid muffler. When he took that out, he's going to cut out a section and put what's called Aero Turbines, which is just a resonator. And it'll make it a little deeper and it'll tone the sound out. And then he's going to cut off the rear resonators to make it effectively a straight pipe. He is going to be putting some echo tips in their place, and I think you'll like how they turn out. So in the meantime, I get to drive Daddy's even cooler car. I apologize for the wind, but you can see right there are the Aero Turbines that he put in place of the mid muffler. And if we go out the back, we got some beefy 4-inch echo tips in place of where the rear mufflers were. So let's get a cold start on it and I'll show you what it sounds like. M&M Muffler, they kill it every time, and I really appreciate everything that they've done to kind of help me out along the way. So if you enjoyed this, please be sure to drop a like and share it with your friends. If you'd consider subscribing, click over here. If you want to see what YouTube recommends you watch next, click over here. And as always, I look forward to seeing you guys next time.